Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. So DOT is also still in potential breakout mode. I'm still observing here the potential for an inverse head and shoulders pattern. It doesn't need to form an inverse head and shoulders. It can also break out straight away if it wants to. The breakout point here is, we need a sustained break above the red line. And that's basically still here sort of around $4.30. And you see how it's struggling to push above, right? It's struggling and it's very choppy on the way up. So yeah, it's very difficult to do a micro count here. We have possible 5 waves up already. Let's see, just need to adjust that. We have possible 5 waves up already on the DOT chart. I cannot rule out another extension higher. It made another high, but this could simply be a high B wave in wave 2. So the support levels that I communicated yesterday against which we can focus on higher haven't changed. That's still at $3.73. But you know, one way how this could play out is a wave down, because we only had 3 waves down. It basically nearly touched the 38.2 retracement. This could be a high B wave, just far too overlapping for an impulse. And now this could be a C wave to the downside. Now please take micro counts when we talk about cryptos, especially with a pinch of salt. They're much easier when we deal with stocks, Bitcoin, Ether, but altcoins are sometimes a bit of a mess. And the S&P 500 is quite straightforward, you know, the larger index. But anyway, this could now be the C wave down. Alternatively, wave 1 is still unfolding, which is also possible. Then this would just be a lower degree wave 4. It's just difficult from a micro count point of view. I mean, you know, this could, for example, be a 1-2-1-2 setup. The problem is when we deal with 1-2-1-2 setups, if the second wave 1 is larger than the first one, it gets very messy. However, it could be, for example, a diagonal that's unfolding. So ABC in wave 1, wave 2, ABC in wave 3, ABC. So this was a 2. This could be a 3. Then we might be in a 4 now. Then get one more extension in wave 5. And only after that will form a larger degree wave 1. And only after that we get the ABC correction in wave 2. But see, you know, this is where micro counting doesn't really help, and instead just to focus on relevant support levels. So I can make it very simple for you when we say that against the $3.70 level, we focus on higher, okay? And only when we break below that level. It doesn't mean we have to get there. This is simply support. This is where many people confuse targets with support. It's support. So as long as we're holding above it, we can focus on higher. If this is a wave 4 at the moment that's unfolding, I'd rather focus on the 50% FIB level, but we don't know. So we'd rather give it a little bit more space. And then, yeah, highlight the option of a breakout as long as $3.70 is holding. And then the third wave rally should take us to the next main target. I can't really give you a Fibonacci level target for the third wave because I haven't got a confirmed low in wave 2, but the next main level to watch after a breakout will be $4.80 and then the $5.70 level. So I can only repeat what I've been saying for the last few days and the last week, is that we focus on the upside in the crypto market because downside expectations also for DOT were fulfilled, and we rather get stopped out and reset lower than missing out on this, because this is different than what we had here. What we had here in June was not a complete looking downside structure, only 3 waves down. Here we had 5 waves down off the highs. So it's the first time really now in a long time that downside expectations were really fulfilled. So we can take any uptrend more seriously. However, it's still fragile. Focus on support levels, focus on risk management, and DOT still needs to break out of this price channel that is sort of at the moment constrained within, okay? That's depending on when we reach that breakout point, it might be around $4.50. Okay, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.